The Nothing consumer electronics company, renowned for their smartphones, has ignited excitement with the launch of two new wireless earbuds in India, Nothing Ear and Nothing Ear A. The company has claimed that these earbuds represent a new era of true wireless audio, boosting features such as active noise cancellation (ANC), Bluetooth connectivity, and integration with the ChatGPT AI chatbot. In this video, I'll guide you through all the features and specifications of these newly unveiled earbuds. Let's delve into the specifications of the earbuds. The Nothing Ear earbuds boast an IP54 rating for dust and splash resistance, while the charging case carries an IP55 rating. Both devices feature low lag mode, which is automatically enabled in Nothing phones and can be activated via the app for other devices. Additionally, both earbuds offer multi-point connectivity and in-ear detection features. With up to 45 decibels ANC and a transparency mode, users can enjoy versatile audio experiences. Furthermore, the earbuds are equipped with ChatGPT integration, accessible through a pinch-to-speak action. Coming to the battery life, the Nothing Ear and Ear A earbuds each pack a 46 mAh battery. Nothing claims a total battery life of up to 40.5 hours with the charging case on a single charge for ear, and up to 42.5 hours for Ear A. Fast charging is also available, offering 10 hours of playback with just 10 minutes of charging. The charging cases feature USB Type-C ports for convenience. Moreover, both Nothing Ear and Ear A are compatible with the Nothing X application, allowing users to customize their sound profiles. As far as pricing and availability in India is concerned, the Nothing Ear is priced at Rs 11,999, while the Nothing Ear A is listed at Rs 7,999. Both earphones are available for purchase online. The Nothing earbuds offer exceptional value for money, catering to individual needs, preferences, and budgets. If you enjoyed our video, please share your thoughts and comments below, and do not forget to subscribe to OTV News English for more such exciting tech content with me, Lisa.